Are you looking for the best ring lights? In this video, we will look at some of the 4 best ring lights on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Logitech Litra Glow. Although technically not a ring, the Litra Glow packs everything you'd want in a ring light into a compact frame. A bright, diffuse light with 5 temperature settings spanning 3,800 Kelvin, easy-to-use temperature and dimming controls, accessed on the back of the light, and the ability to mount to a laptop via the computer mount, included, or tripod, not included. The included laptop mount features a head that can be angled and pivoted so you get light exactly where you need as you stream or partake in video conference calls. Though not the brightest light we tested, we were wowed by the ratio of brightness to size, improving the lighting of Zoom calls and photo booth pictures substantially considering its meager 3.25-inch length and width chassis. Specifically, we liked how the design of this light eliminated the telltale reflection of the ring light that shows up in people's pupils when they use one. The light itself only weighs 0.2 pounds, and with the mount it clocks in at 0.35 pounds, making it perfect for traveling. We also loved that the laptop mount is easy to attach and remove, and feels stable when latched onto the screen. Number 2. EMART 10-inch Selfie Ring Light. If you plan on making any content where you'll need to film yourself, EMART's ring light has everything you need to make the process seamless. The light comes with a tripod that expands to 55-inch tall and features a pivoting head so you can easily light a wide variety of content. Additionally, it comes with a phone holder, remote Bluetooth shutter for iPhone and Android devices, and Bluetooth remote for changing the light settings for a totally hands-free experience. The switch on the light operates simply yet effectively, allowing you to cycle through 3 color temperatures and 10 brightness levels with the click of a few buttons. In-lab testing showed this ring light generates up to 300 lux at 2 feet from the light source, and we found the quality of light particularly flattering when comparing photos taken with the different ring lights. The color temperature range left something to be desired, only ranging from 3,200 Kelvin to 5,500 Kelvin. The difference between the 3 temperature settings on this model weren't as noticeable as some of the other models we tried, but given the price and other tools this light comes with, we can't complain. Number 3. Pozliv Overhead Desk Ring Light with Flexible Swing Arm Stand. Filming overhead shots as you're crafting, cooking, or doing anything else on a tabletop can be tougher than it looks. Getting a direct light source right above your work area and keeping your filming device steadily above is deceptively tricky, which is why we love the design of this ring light from Pozliv. It comes with a tripod that clips onto the desk and additional mounting equipment for attaching your smartphone or camera. The phone/camera mount features a ball and socket joint, and the kit comes with the addition of a gooseneck mount for the ring light, making lighting and filming even the most intricate tabletop activities a breeze. While we didn't get the opportunity to test this model in the lab, we were appreciative of the robust mounting options in this ring light kit, and its design particularly for overhead shooting. We also loved that the tripod head is compatible with lots of different filming equipment thanks to its 1/4 threading. Those hoping to mount a more weighty camera may want to look elsewhere though. The tripod's maximum bearing weight is 3 pounds. If you're only in it for the ring light though and don't mind the use of a second tripod for your camera, or if you're using a lightweight camera or phone, this kit is perfect. Number 4. Rotolight Ultimate Vlogging Kit. On the other end of the spectrum from massive lighting apparatuses, Rotolight's Ultimate Vlogging Kit condenses the most necessary aspects of a ring light kit into a design that's under 1 foot in size altogether. The ring light comes with a kit that includes a mini tripod for mounting a phone, camera, or microphone at the same time as the ring light, and the tripod is compact enough to fit into your hand for on-the-go video creation and vlogging. We weren't able to test this model in the lab, but couldn't help but be impressed with the design. Unlike other portable ring lights that clip directly onto your phone, this design allows you to keep full use over your phone's screen while filming, helpful for adjusting focus and lighting on the fly or interacting with TikTok filters. Due to its compact nature, it's unsurprising that reviewers have pointed out that this light isn't as bright as other models, but gets the job done for impromptu creation. We also wish color temperature could be controlled via a button as opposed to having to attach filters, but for filming on the go, we can appreciate the sheer simplicity of this device.